So, at last we meet for the first time for the last time.
Now you see that evil will always triumph, because good is dumb.
He did it. What?
I hate it when I get my Schwartz twisted. Okay, maybe if I put my leg up on yours, you know, we can split apart like... Good, yeah. Right. On three. 1, 2, 3, go!
The ring! I can't believe you fell for the oldest trick in the book! What a goof! What's with you, man? Come on!
Use the Schwartz, Lonestar. Use the Schwartz.
I can't. I lost the ring.
Forget the ring. The ring is bupkis. I found it in a Cracker Jack box. The Schwartz is in you, Lonestar. It's in you.
All right. I'll try.
Say goodbye to your two best friends. And I don't mean your pals in the Winnebago.
Thank you for pressing the self-destruct button.
I see your Schwartz is as big as mine.